My faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. I can't take off my mask because I'm the only one around. How are you guys doing? It's a brand new day here. Where am I? I'm in town. I'm at the library. I'm at the bibliothèque. So there is your French word for today. Library is called bibliothèque in French. Tyler is at school. Sarah is also at school. I dropped her off earlier, hence why I'm at the bibliothèque. So I'm all by myself, having a little me time. Baby's at work. So I came to the library to return some books, pick up some new books for Tyler because he read off all his books that he took the last time. Take some new books from him. So at our library, we can take up to 28 books for 3 weeks. So the last time Tyler took 7 books and he read them off before the week finished. So this time I double up his books. That boy loves reading, especially when it's something that he really enjoys. So you guys know Tyler is into Star Wars, so he took a lot of Star Wars book earlier and he read them off in no time. So I took a lot more Star Wars book for him. He's also into reading Naruto books and Pokemon books and Boruto books. But I also try to throw a little other storybooks in there. So I think I have like 17 books for him now. And I picked 3 for Sarah. Just thinking about that I didn't pick any for myself. Anyway, you guys, I am here going to do a little French. I have about an hour before I go and pick up Sarah. Time is really flying by. I've been in town for a while. Anyway, have a good day. Stay loved, stay blessed, stay motivated, and you guys, we are doing a lot better. As you guys can see, everybody's in their respective places, so that's good. I'm here, so have a good day. Stay as safe as you possibly can, though you can't stay too safe, but try and do your best. Anyway, have a good day. Put a smile on somebody's face. Be kind to one another. Love you guys, and I'll catch you guys throughout the rest of today. Hi guys, you guys, so much has happened since you last saw me. It's just not easy for me to navigate on the street with Sarah and film at the same time. You want to say hello to the faves? Hello. Come, they can't see you. Come to mama. Oh, pop, 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 pop. Look, look, see faves there. Say hello, faves. Hello, give fave kiss. Mwah. Give fave bisou. Mwah. Our thing fell. Uh-oh, you going for it? It's not easy for me to navigate Sarah and bags on the camera. It's just hard, and sometimes because I'm so focused on Sarah, because she's not in stroller, it's really hard for me to think about the camera sometimes. But times when I think about the camera, I'll struggle and manage just to get the footage for you guys, but bear with me guys. I can't do it all sometimes, and I'm sure you guys understand that. Anyway, back home, babe and I went to get Tyler from school. We got back and now I'm in the kitchen. It's one of those days where I honestly don't know what to cook today. Today is Tuesday and I have no idea what to cook. So I'm going to go with something kind of lightish for babe and I. I'm going to do what they call it, tortilla. I'm gonna put it in the pan. I'm gonna make the minced beef and put it in the middle of that with cheese, and do a few of those for babe and I. For the kids, I have pasta in the fridge that's going to go for Sarah, and I have mashed potato that's gonna go for Tyler. The reason why I'm not giving both of them the same is because Sarah is not a big fan of mashed potato. Actually, she's not a big fan of mashed potato when I cook it, But like if I buy the lasagna, no. The shepherd's pie. See, I got it, girl. I remember this time. If I buy the shepherd's pie at the supermarket, she'll eat that potato. It doesn't matter how soft I try to make it and creamy and buttery. She's not a fan. It's like she puts it in her mouth and she is like it's choking her, which means that it's too thick, and I don't know what else to do to it to make it more light. But to me it's super light, but to her she's not having it. So she'll eat it if I feed her, but she to feed herself, she said no, no, no. And I don't want her to choke. So pasta for Sarah, and they're gonna have that with minced beef. So yeah, that's what dinner is gonna be tonight. So let's get dinner. And you guys, I told you to pick up books at the library for Tyler. I came home with about 13 books for Tyler, and as he came home he started reading. So let's go sneak on him. You heard my food.
Because then you have still your shoes.
Say hello to the faves.
Hello.
What are you reading?
A Star Wars book.
A Star Wars book. You're in your zone, huh?
I already read 2.
What? You read off 2 books already?
Yes.
Oh my god. You guys, these are how thick the books are. And he said he already read these 2. And he's on the 3rd one. So all these books up here, I try not to mix up the library books with the rest of his books. His books are a mess. They need to be organized. Well, this side is organized. But here, it's a little messy. I need to separate the library books from his books. So that way, when it's time to return them, it doesn't get them mixed up, you see? Sometimes it's not what we wish for our kids, but we feed them with whatever they like in a good way. He loves Star Wars, and you want Tyler to read book, you give Tyler any Star Wars book. Look at him. And look who is right beside. Hi, Sarah.
Hi.
What are you doing? You're reading book? You're not reading no book. You want a book?
Yes.
You want a book?
Yes.
Yes, Mama.
Yes,
Okay, Mama gonna give you this one. You see? She's wanting to do like her brother. Sit and read book, okay? Look at her. She wanted to do like tie. Count. How many pigs do you see? How many pigs? How many? Count. 1 pig, 2 pig. How many pig? 2. What is that?
Now, pig.
Very good.
Now, 2.
2. Good job.
1, 2, 1, 2, 3.
Very good. 3 cars. Bravo.
2. 2. Now, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 cats. Good job.
Now, 4 boats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 little boats. Good job.
4.
I took this book at the library for her and look at her with it.
Yeah. Not 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Very good.
Now 7. One, two, three, four, five, 8, 9, 10.
No, count again. Start over. Count again. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 hat. 1.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Very good.
Now
8 ant.
8.
Very good.
8. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
No, start over again. 1.
2,
Mm-hmm.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Very good. 9 stars.
9.
Very good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 9,
10.
10.
Very good. 10 fishes. Yay, you finish your book.
Number 10.
Bravo, Mabel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Bravo. That book is too easy for you, huh? Good job.
10.
Well, I guess I need to upgrade her book when I go back to the library because that one's too easy. Oh my gosh, you finished the book already? Anyway, guys, I'm gonna get cooking. Plates ready. To come on and share this with you. I was getting Sarah ready for bed just now. I love putting her to bed this cute, you see. And you know what I heard Sarah just say? But Sarah, your mama have matching hairstyle. Ah! Look, your mama hair matching. Tell us what you just say. Say, watch ya.
Watch out.
I'm getting her ready here. Say, watch ya. You want lemon and honey?
Yes.
It's a ritual to give her lemon and honey before bed at night.
Watch out. Watch out. Watch out.
Watch ya.
Watch out.
You think these kids not listening to you when you speak? They're listening to
Watcha.
every word. Watch ya.
Watch out.
You watch ya. Say mama, watch ya.
Mama, watch out.
Say watch ya, watch ya.
Wait. Like her no hand. Wait, Tata. No hand with texture.
Who are you talking to? Tell them it's night night.
Night.
She's too cute in her little pajama.
Bye bye.
Bye, Sarah.
Anyway, you guys, I'm gonna put her to bed right now. So see you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow. Lemon and honey time.
You're gonna have to do all the walk now too.
can hear you holding in the cough. My poor baby.
She's laughing at me.
No, I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you.
No, you see myself smiling.
Yes, you are. Don't try to pretend for the camera.
How was your day?
My day was busy from start to finish. Very busy, hence why I'm going to sleep at 9:30. Never happened. 9:25 and I'm coming out in the vlog because I'm watching a movie and I cannot stay up. I'm going to sleep. Leave babe up. I'm so tired. How was your day? Okay, we have to deal with babe mute. Anyway, you guys, I'll come and make sure that you guys see him, but you guys know that he can't speak much because he's gonna cough down the whole of the camera. Anyway, I'm signing off for tonight. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bits that I had to show you today. If you did, give it a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam. Catch up and keep up because I'm going to bed. Leave you guys up watching. So see y'all tomorrow.